Hey, welcome to Classic Performance, and we're here on vacation again in beautiful Manasota Key, Florida, and we've got a great vehicle review for you today. It's the DJI Mini 2 SE drone, kind of an entry-level drone, 249 grams. This thing will fit in your pocket. So let's take a closer look at it and just see what she will do. So I'm going to back up a little bit. This is my case that I've got. The whole thing fits in this small case, and you can kind of see the size of it. I've also got my GoPro in there and some other things. So they call this a pocket drone, and it's a folding drone, so I'll show you kind of how it unfolds, and then we'll get back to our review and flying time. All right, so we're set up and ready to fly. And of course, I don't know if you can see on here what I'm looking at, but the drone is right here, and I've got a button on the back side which rotates my gimbal down and up. I can switch with this button right here, my media. That's for taking a still picture. Every time I press it, you can hear it click the shutter. So that's for taking my media. I can switch this over from still picture to video right here. That may not do it because I don't have my SD card. So anyway, to start it, you move both controls down to the bottom inside, and then my throttle is on the left, rotation is left to right, and then forward, reverse, slide left, slide right. So you can configure these in different ways, but that's the way I have them configured, and it's the traditional way with the throttle on your left. So let's go ahead and give some elevation and get her in the air. So I'm up, and I've stopped right there, and it will hold. Now I can move my gimbal down and up, and then rotation left to make a circle. And we're going to fly this whole coast. We're going to fly from this end to the other end, way down here. And we've seen dolphin and manatee and various things in the water earlier today, so I feel certain that we will find something out there. So the range is, I mean, it will go all the way to the end of the coast and back, and it shoots in 2.7K high definition video. There are models that shoot in full 4K, but this right here is very good resolution, and you've got all kinds of controls for your shutter speed, aperture, and things like that. So let's go ahead and move on. Gonna rotate around, and I think we'll go fly north first. And then of course here also, if you can see this, you got Cine, normal, and sport. So cinema mode, as I move the control forward, you can see how slow it goes, and if I go to sport, this thing will go very quickly. So that's the three different modes. It's just you know, more reactive to the stick movement. The cinema is for very slow, still movement. So anyway, let's go flying. Do it for the quick review of the DJI Mini 2 SE. Hope you enjoyed the sights here from Manasota Key, Florida, on the kind of the western Gulf Coast of Florida, and the Mini 2 SE pocket drone. Take care, have yourself a great day, and we hope to see you next time as we incorporate more of this drone footage into some of our new uploads.